Good morning. Um, it's Tuesday and I'm about to wash my hair. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video. The hair is about 2 weeks and I have not had the time to wash the hair. So during the course of the week, I was basically looking out for or looking to buy a shampoo that doesn't have any sulfate, but I couldn't really get. So I'm going to use what I have because I didn't want to end up buying another shampoo when I have like different types of shampoo in the house that I have not even finished using. That would be like wasting money. I'm currently looking at my the ones from Nature's Gentle Touch and also the ones from Mega Growth. I mean, those are the two products I've been using back to back, if you know me. So alright guys, so I just finished applying a bit of conditioner to my hair before I go ahead to wash it, and I also parted the hair into 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. I coated my whole hair with the conditioner and I went ahead to detangle it. Well, I mainly use my fingers for more detangling so that I can, reduce the breakage I would get. That's that. I'm just going to cover it up in this shower cap for about 30 minutes before I start washing the hair. Alright guys, so I'm out of the bathroom and now I would proceed to do the deep cholesterol treatment on my hair. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to read some instructions here from the label they sent me. So step 2 is to apply the Herbal Blend Deep Conditioning Cholesterol Treatment to hair, working from tip to roots of hair. Now the deep cholesterol treatment is formulated with shea butter, which also helps in sealing moisture to the hair and prevents drying out. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or use a heat cap and stay under a dryer. So basically what this cholesterol treatment does to your hair is that it repairs your hair in case you've been experiencing dry hair or damaged hair or your hair is breaking. And I already have dry hair, like it's not news. My hair is dry, my scalp can get really dry quickly, and my hair is low porosity, so it takes forever for things to actually absorb. So I would benefit a lot more from using a cholesterol treatment, and plus my hair has been breaking, so I need to repair all that and bring it back into balance, to what it's supposed to be. I will be parting my hair into 4 sections, like so. Right, so if you're currently struggling with dry hair, you definitely want to get into this cholesterol treatment, right? So one thing we do know about cholesterol is that it is a naturally occurring fat-like component, which is the cells that make up the hair. And a cholesterol treatment is basically a mixture of fatty products which are designed to repair and rehydrate your strands. So this treatment is basically for people with dry hair, damaged hair, hair that has been exposed to chemical, which is like any kind of chemical, especially relaxers, coloring, heat application, or even the sun. So if your hair is not damaged or it's not any of these things I just mentioned, then you do not really need a cholesterol treatment. And on the other hand, if your hair is dry, if it's brittle, if it's breaking, and it's just very hard to manage, you do need a cholesterol treatment. Now, how often do you do this? I think it totally depends on you and the state of your hair right now, or how damaged you think it is right now. So you want to figure that out and see if it's something you want to start doing once a week or once a month. So some of the benefits of a cholesterol treatment is that it really hydrates and softens the hair, and it also repairs over processed or damaged hair, and it also helps the hair cuticle to lay flat. Alright guys, so I'm going to go on ahead and do this part of the hair off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm done. I already applied the cholesterol treatment all over my hair. This is what it looks like, and that's the back. So I'm going to put it inside this shower cap and cover it. Time's up, baby. Time's up. So let's see what is going on. Ooh, there's a lot of shine going on. Okay. All right. All right. Guys, my hair feels so soft already. Ooh, love it. Like it's not as hard as it was when I applied it initially. Alright, so let's just go and wash this off without wasting much of our time, okay? Yeah. I haven't gone ahead to detangle with any comb. I've just been using my fingers. So the last step here, according to the leaflet, is to use the Herbal Blend leave-in conditioner, and I have that right here. This is what it looks like. So I will be air drying my hair. It's liquidy. It looks just like that. And I would apply this to hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, guys. You do not want to rinse this out, okay? I've been using this leave-in conditioner and the cholesterol treatment and the shampoo for a very long time. Like, this is not even the first time I'm using the product, but I often like to read the instructions again, because I realized that the shampoo, they had changed the color of the shampoo. The shampoo wasn't always very clear white like that. It has a bit of color to it. I don't know what that color is called, like mercury vibe. It wasn't always like that, so they did change up something. And well, the cholesterol treatment has always been that color, but yeah. So I'll do the same thing for this other side of the hair, and I'll be right back. I actually applied the leave-in conditioner on this section of my hair, and I've also went ahead to detangle it. So I'm using my brush. So I'll start from the tip. And yeah, I'm so happy with the results. So I'll see you guys when the hair is almost dry, because I'm going to be drying this hair. I will not be using any kind of heat on my hair. I always don't, like, so yeah. And this is what my hair looks like, about 70 or 80% dry, and the hair is already increasing in volume, which I love. I absolutely adore. As you can see, I'm literally just playing with this. The hair still feels very soft. So before the hair is completely dry, I would be applying some of my olive oil to my hair and my scalp. This is so important because I did state earlier before that my scalp can get really dry, and so does my hair. So while the hair is still kind of, in between dry and, damp, I want the oil to really, just get in there and, seal all that moisture that my hair had gotten from the deep conditioning, cholesterol treatment, and also the leave-in conditioner. So I would apply this all over my scalp and also on my hair, and I will give myself a good massage just to make sure that this product really gets everywhere all over my scalp, and I get all the benefit from it. And while you're doing this, please guys, do not forget the ends of your hair. The ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair, and they are the first to start, to dry off because they're always exposed. So you want to make sure you cover all that area with the oils. Alright guys, so it's a wrap. This is what my hair looks like. I already detangled it and I put it in a ponytail like this. And yeah, I love the outcome of everything, and I think I'll continue to do this once a week. So I followed through all the steps, and yeah, I'm definitely going to repeat this weekly until I feel like my hair has been repaired and it's strong enough and it's no longer breaking as much as it is right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really do enjoy this video and you learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can share this video with other people. Click on the bell, the subscribe button, so that you would join the family. Let me know in the comment section if you've got questions and I'll be right there to answer you. Share this video with somebody who you think it might be very helpful to them, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.